Hello, little learners. Today, let's learn the names of some yummy fruits and how to spell them too. Are you ready? Let's go. This is an apple. Apple is spelled A-P-P-L-E. Great job. This is a banana. Banana is spelled B-A-N-A-N-A. That's fun to say. This is a mango. Mango is spelled M-A-N-G-O. So sweet and tasty. This is an orange. Orange is spelled O-R-A-N-G-E. Yay! These are grapes. Grapes are spelled G-R-A-P-E-S. Great work. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is spelled P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. It's spiky outside, juicy inside. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is spelled S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Yum! This is a watermelon. Watermelon is spelled W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Big and juicy. This is a papaya. Papaya is spelled P-A-P-A-Y-A. Soft and sweet. This is a guava. Guava is spelled G-U-A-V-A. So healthy. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is spelled K-I-W-I. Tiny and tasty. These are blueberries. Blueberry is spelled B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Little and yummy. This is a peach. Peach is spelled P-E-A-C-H. Soft and fuzzy. This is a pear. Pear is spelled P-E-A-R. Delicious. These are cherries. Cherry is spelled C-H-E-R-R-Y. So red and cute. This is a plum. Plum is spelled P-L-U-M. Sweet and purple. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranate is spelled P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. That's a big word. This is a coconut. Coconut is spelled C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Crunchy outside, soft inside. This is an avocado. Avocado is spelled A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Very healthy. This is a fig. Fig is spelled F-I-G, a tiny treat. This is a lemon. Lemon is spelled L-E-M-O-N, sour and fun. This is a lime. Lime is spelled L-I-M-E, tiny and green. This is a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is spelled D-R-A-G-O-N-F-R-U-I-T, so colourful. This is a jackfruit. Jackfruit is spelled J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T, big and spiky. This is a starfruit. Starfruit is spelled S-T-A-R-F-R-U-I-T, shiny like a star. Wow! You just learned 25 fruit names and how to spell them. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to eat your fruits and stay healthy. See you next time on Sajilo DIY. Bye-bye!